Hingham's historic landscape is one of the main reasons why so many people choose to move to Hingham and make it their home. Having been a part of this House Tour Committee for the better part of 30 years, I never tire of trying to discover new properties to participate. It's always fun to open a new door and see what's inside and to share it with so many people.
The house tour gives us an opportunity to go inside and see all the treasures of the properties, the moldings, the floors, all of the fixtures and details. And I also love sharing that with community members who also appreciate and love history.
Looking at the houses individually, but then seeing them on the streetscape really gives you a sense of what the town looked like during that period of time.
Tickets go on sale in late August, and a portion of the ticket sale goes to support our ongoing work of the nonprofit member and donor-supported Hingham Historical Society. Although there are many upcoming exciting Hingham historical events to attend, the house tour is not to be missed. We look forward to welcoming you to historic Hingham this fall.